Hi, welcome dear students to ninth video of chapter 8. Hope all of you are in a good health. Today I'm going to discuss about different character tags. Previous class I explained about attributes of marquee tag and character. Let us discuss one by one and show you how you can write the code HTML tag and display the output. So first of all, going to create a new file and first start with the HTML cat code. As you know, HTML start and close. Always try to write down the opening and closing tag which is required. So always, so that you cannot forget and it will not create a problem while you display the code. Next one, write as a head tag. Just close. Within the head tag, we write down here the title, and so formatting tag just write down so this is where we when we write the title in the title bar, it shows in the title bar now. So whatever you write inside the body tag is visible to now. Save the file. Save the file and name it video 9 dot and run the just open see the output. So just double click and you see able to see the different head titles on. I have written only the titles. Now going to write down the first how to change the background color of the page and just BG color. BG color is equal to write down the name color name. Write down here the here. So just refresh. Now in color you can write down here. Okay. You can also use the passcode like if you write down the the 6 digit. Check the check 6 digit hashtag digit. Now extract extract as we extract. So this strike tag was used in HTML4 to define a strike through. It was used in HTML4, but HTML5 is not in use. Yeah. So instead of that, what can we do? If instead of that strike, we can use the strike del. Instead of that, we can use write down the del okay, and del close. So you can see del. It's better to write del tag instead of strike. So this is in use. Whatever the text inside you, write on the tag close. Check the output is output now you can see here the text. It is better to write text, H1 text, more clear to you, more is H1 tag. Now see, you can see, when sometimes when the when you go when you purchase online product, and see this is a sale 20 or a rate, and you can see the cross now new price. So this way you can just del is better to use instead of stripe. And now we as you are familiar with the bold tag, so whatever you write inside the make the text bold text, and then bold text inside. We can also use the instead of b, b is also in use. B is also in use, but let's see here the output. Whatever you write inside the b tag, so b tag, it's just going to put HR tag. Instead of you can also use a strong. Then you can use the bold or a strong. So now see the output similar. So you can just see the text inside the bold tag and the strong tag. You can see the difference. You can use either bold B tag or a strong tag. Okay. So inside the strong tag, and another tag just going to write on, sometimes we write the sub SU bit service, as you see there, SU subscript. So sometimes we use, for example, I'm just going to write down the formula H2O. So just start with the home tag paragraph. I just write down capital H and two, base value base. So we can just write down the subscript like 2 and close the subtag, and we can use close the p tag also. We have started just uh, write the tag in order. Now see the output. You can distinguish H2. It is better to just write down, remove the just what will be the value if we just write down the 1 2 3 4 5 6 0. Then what will be the color code? The dark black. And once we write the 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 6. Now check the, we write 1 2 3 4 5 6, or you can just write down color code. So this way it is better. So you can see if we just write down the base, I think so this is called subscript, and BH2O. H2, this is the water H2O, and you can write down this way. H2O. If you don't want the space, you can take closer or whatever. If just put, you can use a BR tag for text. Similarly, we can use another subscript have written, and another is the superscript. So A square B. How can we write? First of all, A. Write down close the bracket. And a square, just going to write a square power. So should be like in a SUP superscript. A to write down in the 2 in the superscript and close the SUP a square b. And now check the here you are able to see a square b. So you can see the difference between the subscript and superscript. If you write down the like, if you want to h2 like this and a square. So I hope you are able to understand what is the difference subscript and superscript and how can you write. And this is the okay. So this is a very simple and different codes, and also it is b blink is not supported in if you write inside the blink tag. It is not supported in HTML5. Some of the tags here is the HTML4 tag, and new version of HTML, as you know, HTML5, right? So you can write down the subscript format tags as a subscript, format as superscript. You can also TT apply fixed with and variable where displays variable or arguments. So is and P, as you know, paragraph. You can write down the code code strike u0. It is not supported in HTML. So instead of that, you can use the del or okay. Thank you, dear students. Bye for now. See you in the next video.